Did you watch our first video on how to cook chicken legs in the oven? In this video, we show you 2 more oven-baked chicken legs recipes. We're sure you'll love them. First recipe, simple baked chicken drumsticks. This is an abridged version of baked chicken drumsticks recipe. This recipe takes fewer ingredients to make, though you can tweak the seasoning as you wish. Time estimate. Preparation time, 5 to 7 minutes. Cooking time, 30 minutes. What you need: 6 pieces of chicken legs, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 4 pieces of lemon cuts, ½ teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. Cooking procedure. First step, if you are using refrigerated chicken legs, allow it to thaw before you start cooking. Use kitchen towels to dry water from the body. Second step, set your oven to heat at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Alongside, mix your seasonings together in a bowl. Mix them very well with the chicken legs. Third step, cover your baking sheet with aluminum foil and oil it lightly. Arrange your seasoned chicken drumsticks properly, giving some space with the placement. Fourth step, place the baking sheet with chicken legs to bake for 25 minutes. Check and turn the legs to bake on the other side. Bake for 5 minutes and check again. Remember to use your thermometer to check for doneness. Last step, remove the baked chicken when they are ready and serve with your favorite dish. Second recipe, crispy baked chicken drumsticks. If you prefer your chicken drumsticks with crispy skin, this is the recipe for you. This recipe takes nearly 1 hour to achieve, but it is worth every time that you spend on it. Time estimate. Preparation time, 5 minutes. Cooking time, 45 minutes. What you need: 8 pieces of chicken legs with the skin intact, 2/3 cup of multi-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, 3 tablespoons of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon of pepper. Cooking spray. Cooking procedure. First step, heat up your oven at 425 degrees. Get your chicken out from the fridge and dry out water from the body. Make sure to leave the skin on the body. Second step, get a sizable Ziploc bag and mix in your ingredients in it. Put in your chicken one after the other and properly combine them with the mixture. Third step, cover your baking sheet with aluminum foil and put some cooking spray on the foil. Line the chicken legs on the baking sheet with spaces between them. Put some cooking spray over the chicken. Preferably, use cooking spray with butter flavor. Fourth step, place to bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Check how well they are doing after 30 minutes and turn them on the other side. Keep checking every 5 minutes until they are perfectly cooked, and the skin is crisp. If you desire more crispness after the chicken is cooked, then turn on your broiler for 3 to 5 minutes. Keep an eye on the broiling so your chicken legs don't become a waste. Last step, when your chicken legs are cooked to your taste, bring them out and cool. Serve the way you want it. What you can serve with your baked chicken drumstick. The last recipe here is a dish that can accompany those yummy drumsticks. Chicken pasta with vodka. This recipe involves a bit of vodka, but not enough to get anyone tipsy. It's not a complicated process, and it's super tasty. What you need: a pound of chicken breast without the skin and bone, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of sun-dried tomatoes with enough oil, a 1/4 cup of vodka, half a bulb of red onions diced, 1½ cup of reduced sodium chicken broth, 2 fingers of garlic minced, 2 cups of penne pasta, 2 cups of milk, 4 cups of spinach preferably fresh, ½ teaspoon of kosher salt, a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, a 1/4 cup ground pepper red. Procedure. Chicken breast. Use your meat tenderizer's flat end to decimate the chicken breast. The pieces should be about ½ inch thick. Season your flattened chicken breasts with pepper, paprika, and salt. Set your frying pan on the stove at a heat that is medium-high, then add your olive oil. Put in the chicken breasts and sauté for 5 minutes approximately. Bring it down and remove from oil when it is well cooked. Set it aside to cool. Vodka sauce. Add garlic, sun-dried tomatoes, and onion to the frying pan and sauté for 3 minutes on medium-high heat. When the onion is soft, turn in your vodka and leave for 1 minute until the vegetables come off the pan. Add your milk, salt, penne, ground red pepper, and chicken broth. Stir them together on high heat and allow to boil. Bring down your heat to medium, then cover. Cook for 10 minutes till the pasta is soft. Add your fresh spinach and cooked chicken breasts into your pasta and combine properly. Cover and heat for a while. Stir in Parmesan cheese until your sauce is thick. Bring it down and serve with your baked chicken drumstick. Have a great meal with your loved ones. If you've enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell so you'll know once we post a new video. Also, drop a comment below so we can know your thoughts. Finally, don't forget to check the description below for more details. Visit our site zimovens.com for more awesome oven-baked recipes like this.